Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Fortnite server not responding issue. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Twitter. Once you open Twitter, you simply need to click on login Twitter and log in your Twitter account. Once you log in that, you simply need to search Fortnite in the Twitter and try to search for the Fortnite in Twitter. So let me find the Fortnite. So here you can see that I searched for the Fortnite, and here you can see the update that the Fortnite servers are currently down. So let me search for the Fortnite. Okay, so this is the official game, and here you can see that the servers are currently down and you need to wait for few time. Okay, so you need to wait for few time, and after few time your Fortnite will be okay, and you can see that the team is working on this issue and they will resolve this issue in some time. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.